Hello guys, welcome to CAD tutorial by Iraqi YouTube channel. In this video I will solve the exercise number 15 using AutoCAD 2D drawing. All dimension are millimeter. First I will make it as circle dia 54, circle dia 86, circle dia 110. Let's go to AutoCAD. Circle, click enter dia 54 and another one circle dia is 86. And another one circle dia is 118. And this radius is 8 mm using 2, 4, 6, 8 numbers. First I will make it as circle center. This radius as 8 mm. 8 mm. And make it connection to this line and this line to mirror. Okay, you can't mirror, you can put it on no and trim the unwanted material. Okay, using select the object and array, not select the using object array, select polar, select the object array, select polar, select the path using 8 numbers, item number 8 numbers and close it. And you will trim the unwanted material. This one trim, this one trim. Unwanted material you trim. Next portion is this radius is 78, this radius is 13, this dia is 12. First I will make it as line as a 75 degree. Click on line, ortho mode off, press cap T, tap 45, enter. Radius is 78. Radius is 78. Click on circle, click on 78. These two radius is radius 13, dia 12. Circle, dia 12 and circle radius is 13 mm and trim the extra material. And this one radius is 5 mm. Fillet radius 5 mm. And select this portion, mirror to left side. Ortho mode on, click it on top, yes, no. And trim the unwanted material. This radius is 8 mm. This radius also 8 mm. Fillet radius 8 mm. And this distance between 53 mm. Offset 53, this 108 mm. Offset 53 mm and 108 divided by 2 equals 54. Offset 54. Left side and right side 54. The dia is 12 mm. Radius is 12 mm. This radius is 8 mm. This also 8 mm. Circle dia 12 mm and circle radius 12 mm and select this two circle and mirror on right side now and make it as tangent line to bottom circle, and this radius is 8 mm, fillet radius 8 mm, and remove the unwanted material. Delete, select, delete. Angle also mirror, and unwanted material carefully remove. This trim, this one trim, and this one also trim. The drawing is fully okay. Make it as center line and make it as color and make it with dimension. Let's go to AutoCAD, select the line. Line type is center line, and line color it will take green color, and I will match the center line. And it takes an color 30, and this color 30 I will match. And make it a dimensions. Take on dimensions. First I will make it an dia. Click on annotation dia. This die is 118, this die is 86, this die is 54, and this die is 12 mm, 4 numbers. Write it on 4 numbers. This radius is 12 mm. This radius is 13 mm. And difference between angle is 45 degree. Click on distance 45 degree. This one also 45 degree. And this radius is 8 mm. And distance between two circle 108 mm. And this bottom to this center of circle is 53. Okay, the all parts and color dimensions all is complete. The drawing is fully okay. Please share like my video and get more information. Subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.